Experiencing iPhone alarm failures? You're not alone. The main culprits are often do not disturb, focus modes, and bedtime settings conflicting with your alarms. The clock app alarms should override silent mode, but DND or custom focus settings can prevent this. First, ensure your alarm volume is up and the correct sound is selected in the clock app. Then, verify that DND or any active focus modes like sleep or work allow notifications from the clock app. Go to Settings Focus, select the active mode, and check Allowed Notifications. Ensure time-sensitive notifications or alarms are enabled. Since iOS 19 alarms should be prioritized by default, but these settings can override that behavior. Bedtime mode, integrated with the Health app, can inadvertently silence alarms by activating Do Not Disturb during sleep schedules. For custom focus modes like sleep or work, the process is similar. Go to Settings, Focus, select your mode, Allowed Notifications, and ensure time-sensitive notifications or alarms are checked to prevent silencing. Some users set up custom automations using the Shortcuts app that can activate Do Not Disturb unexpectedly. If you're having trouble, locate and disable these shortcuts in the app. As a last resort, try restarting your iPhone or resetting all settings through Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset. Reset all settings without erasing data. If problems continue, update to the latest iOS version.